अस्सलाम वालेकुम माय यूट्यूब फैमिली, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल सिबलिंग रिएक्शन। दिस इज़ मीनोशीन चौधरी और मेरे साथ हैं।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। मेरा नाम है चौधरी आसिफ अली। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे।
जी, और कैसा जा रहा है आपका विंटर्स, क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे तो आज भी बारिश हो रही है, मौसम बहुत ही मज़ेदार सा है। तो आज हम इस अच्छे से मौसम में आपके लिए बड़ी ज़बरदस्त वीडियो लेके आए हैं। तो वीडियो का नेम है व्हाट इट्स लाइक टू बी अ बिलियनर इन इंडिया। तो वीडियो जो है वो नाम से काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लग रही है। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले यही कहूँगी कि वीडियो को लाइक करते जाएं, चैनल पर मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते जाएं और बेल आइकन को हल्का सा प्रेस कर लें ताकि हमारी आने वाली हर वीडियो का जो है नोटिफिकेशन आप तक सबसे पहले पहुँचे और आप सबसे पहले हमारी वीडियो देखें। वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट।
While China and the United States have been battling it out on who houses the most billionaires, quietly over the years, India has been ranking in more and more members into the uber elite class. Yet, at the same time, the wealth gap between the rich and the average Indian citizen is increasing. But what is life like for the rich in the Asian country? Well, that's what we're going to explore today. We'll examine the perks and struggles of holding a fortune in India, and we'll see some of the most exorbitant purchases that have taken place in India. So, let's get started. Between 2010 to 2017, India was reportedly adding a new billionaire into their ranks every 33 days on average. Back in 2000, the nation had only 9 billionaires. In 2017, the nation had 101 billionaires residing within.
Amazing.
According to Forbes' most recent look at countries with the most billionaires, India now has 140 billionaires. This figure puts them in
140?
third place in the world rankings, beating Germany, which has 136 billionaires. At the time of the list being published, India's richest held a collective $596 billion between them. This was a 90% increase from the previous year when it was $313 billion. The person that tops India's richest list is Mukesh Ambani. He made his fortune being the majority shareholder and chairman of the conglomerate Reliance Industries. The company also created one of the country's biggest telecommunication companies, Jio. Due to all this, at the time of writing, Ambani has an estimated net worth of $79.7 billion, making him the richest person in India and in all of Asia. Currently, the second richest person in India is Gautam Adani and his family. The majority of his fortune stems from being the founder and chairman of Adani Group. He also owns the coal mine Abbot Point, Mundra Port, and has a 74% stake in Mumbai International Airport. At the time of writing, he and his family have an estimated net worth of $55.9 billion. The industrialist Shiv Nadar made his cash from co-founding the IT firm HCL Technologies. Like Jeff Bezos' Amazon, HCL was also created in a
HCL
garage.
काफी famous है।
Due to forming HCL, Nadar is currently the third richest person in India. At the time of writing, he has a net worth of $25.6 billion. On top of his business acumen, Nadar has also funneled a reported $662 million into his Shiv Nadar Foundation. The rich in India are seemingly looking to leave the country. In 2015, it was discovered by New World Wealth that India had the second highest number of millionaires leaving their country. Number 1 was China. Between 2000 and 2014, 61,000 of India's top earners had moved abroad. The favored nations to move to include the US, the UK, Australia, and the UAE. The reasons for leaving stem from security concerns, tax increases, and the desire for better education possibilities for their children. In 2019, 7,000 millionaires left the country for newer pastures. The citizen residency advisory firm Henley & Partners claimed in February 2021 that Indian nationals were the most active in inquiring with them on such programs as citizenship by investment or residence by investment. This is essentially when a person will receive citizenship or permission to reside within a country in exchange for financial investment of some kind. The top countries that Indians thought about going to include Canada, Portugal, and Austria. One of the most popular packages in Europe is the Portugal Golden Residence Permit Program. As long as a person spends at least 350,000 euros, around $412,000 on real estate, they will gain a residency permit. As for the expensive items that India's richest have splashed the cash on, we first have Antilia Tower. It's billed as the most expensive home in the world. So, with a title like that, of course it's the home of the richest Indian national, Mukesh Ambani. With 27
दुनिया का
stories,
जो
the
है
tower was
fame
constructed in
सबसे
2010
expensive
and overlooks the city of Mumbai. Some features include 3 helipads, a 50-seat cinema, 9 elevators, and a
घर में ही
grand
है
ballroom.
सिनेमा
According to
वाओ
one of the architects on the project, the construction cost nearly $2 billion.
बहुत ही डिफरेंट है
There's
घर के
been
लोग
claims of it
सबसे
being as
ऊंचा
high
है
as $5 billion. In 2010, for 1 month, it was discovered that the electricity bill was a massive $109,000. When people from loaded families get married, they like to go all out when it comes to their special day. In 2016, Brahmani, the daughter of Gali Janardana Reddy, was getting married, so they held a 5-day lavish wedding. Altogether, the event reportedly cost around $74 million. This drew the ire of Indian citizens as this happened during a cash flow crisis. Brahmani's sari is said to have cost $2.5 million, while the jewelry she wore amounted to $13 million. Then in 2018, there was the Ambani Piramal wedding. Isha, the daughter of Mukesh Ambani, married Anand, the son of billionaire Ajay Piramal. A number of celebrities were guests, including Hillary Clinton, Deepika Padukone, and Sachin Tendulkar. Even Beyonce was there to perform. There were reports that the wedding cost up to $100 million, while others claimed it was closer to $15 million. Private jets have always been a favorite toy amongst billionaires. In 2015, consulting firm Frost & Sullivan claimed that 12% of the world's private plane market was made up of Indian nationals. In that same year, around 142 planes were estimated to be owned by Indians. According to reports, some of these jets went up to $310 million in value. Canadian plane creators Bombardier estimated to deliver 1,215 planes to India between 2014 to 2033. The managing director and chairman of the Raymond Group, Gautam Singhania, had his net worth estimated as high as $1.4 billion in his career. He happens to be one such billionaire that has a plane. In 2016, he reportedly owned a Bombardier Challenger 600. At the time, these jets cost up to $21 million. While the affluent in India are getting richer, the wealth isn't exactly trickling down to the average citizen. In fact, all the extra capital for the billionaires has actually increased the inequality gap. In 2018, Oxfam examined the growing divide in India. They found that the top 10% of the country's wealthiest controlled 77% of the total national wealth, with 73% of the wealth generated going to the top 1%. While the poorest half of the population only saw their wealth increase by 1%. Oxfam found that for a minimum wage worker in rural India to reach the yearly salary of a highly paid executive, it would take that worker 941 years. After all, the lowest paid citizens often make less than $5 per day. The recent global situation has worked in India's billionaires' favor. In the space of a year from 2020 to 2021, a number of wealthy had their net worths increase massively. Mukesh Ambani's reportedly rose as much as $15 billion, while Gautam Adani's net worth increased by $13 billion. By the end of 2020, the top 1% of earners reportedly controlled 40.5% of the nation's wealth, a rise of 7% from 2000, according to Credit Suisse. Final fact finish. The most expensive piece of art created by an Indian artist was sold in March 2021. Via the auction house Saffron Art, the untitled work of V.S. Gaitande from 1961 went for around $5.5 million.
जी तो फ्रेंड्स, ये था आज का वीडियो। बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और अमेजिंग लगा। जो इंडिया में बिलियनर्स हैं वो बता रहे थे मोर देन 114 हो गए,
140 के करीब बता
हाँ
रहे हैं।
140 के करीब। और हर जो है 33 डेज़ के बाद एक बिलियनर जो है वो बन जाता है, तो इट्स अमेजिंग। और दूसरे नंबर पे बता रहे थे कि जो है सबसे ज़्यादा जो है अपनी कंट्री जो है ना आजकल वो शिफ्ट भी हो रहे हैं सिक्योरिटी रीजंस की वजह से भी कुछ, और कुछ जो हैं वो बेटर जो है बच्चों की एजुकेशन के लिए भी। तो बहुत सारे मिलियनर्स जो हैं वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया यूएस में भी शिफ्ट हुए हैं। और दूसरा जो मुझे बहुत जो इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ लगी, पहले भी देखा था और आज भी जो उन्होंने दिखाया, मुकेश अंबानी का जो हाउस है अमेजिंग, मतलब उसमें सिनेमा भी है, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग बहुत ज़बरदस्त है और उसकी लुक बहुत ज़बरदस्त है। आप बताएं आपको कैसा लगा?
हाँ, ज़ाहिर बात है, दुनिया का वो जो महंगा तरीन कार है तो वो इंडिया में है। और जो जेट्स बता रहे थे, वो प्लेन जो हैं वो
हाँ,
भी
हेलीपैड भी थे
इंडिया वाले
3।
खरीदते हैं सबसे ज़्यादा। बहुत ज़्यादा बिलियनर हैं इंडिया में, और जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज हैं उनके सीईओज भी इंडियंस हैं। तो इंडिया के जो लोग हैं काफ़ी इंटेलिजेंट है और काफ़ी तेज़ी से वो ग्रो कर रहे हैं, तो इसीलिए वो अर्निंग भी कर रहे हैं। एक और फैक्ट जो उन्होंने बताया कि जो बिलियनर है ना, ये फिर कंट्रोल भी करते हैं कंट्री को, क्योंकि वेल्थ का काफ़ी डिफरेंस आ जाता है जो आम आदमी है। तो ये एक थोड़ा सा इशू होता है। बाकी बहुत ज़बरदस्त लगा हमें तो, कितना अमीर कंट्री है इंडिया। ये पाकिस्तान की इकोनॉमी से भी ज़्यादा इन लोगों के पास पैसा है, इन 4-5 लोगों
और
के।
हाँ, ये जो 4-5 लोग उन्होंने दिखाए, और मुझे जो है एज अ गर्ल जो मुझे चीज़ और इंटरेस्टिंग और मज़े की लगी, वो ज्वेलरी जो उन्होंने पहनी हुई थी। 13 मिलियन की तो खाली ज्वेलरी पहनी हुई थी शादी में। मुकेश अंबानी की डॉटर की शादी थी, और दूसरे जो थे जो शादी जो उन्होंने दिखाई, ज्वेलरी जो है वो बहुत ही औसम थी, और पूरा अरेंजमेंट सेटअप बहुत ज़बरदस्त लग रहा था। तो डेफिनेटली जो बिलियनर्स होंगे तो वो फिर अपनी ज्वेलरी और ऐसी चीज़ों पे तो खर्च करेंगे। तो हमें तो बहुत अमेजिंग वीडियो
और
लगी।
एक रिसर्च के मुताबिक सबसे जो दुनिया में ज़्यादा ज्वेलरी है इंडियंस के पास है।
क्योंकि ड्रामास भी इंडियन अगर देखें तो ज्वेलरी तो बहुत खूबसूरत होती है। हमें खुद होता है कि हम भी इंडिया की ज्वेलरी जो है वो पहने। बहुत अमेजिंग लगी। आपको अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कर लीजिएगा, और चैनल पे न्यू है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हुए जाइएगा। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज़,
गुड
स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे वेल्दी, बाय बाय।